I'm going to talk you through and walk you through how the boss plants a green beech hedge. So basically he uses the small bucket of the mini digger to pull a trench. So that bucket is about a foot wide and he pulls the trench about 9 or 10 inches deep. So he's moving along there, and I'm going to show you a little trick now. Gets that bamboo and he marks it at 13 inches. So we're planting this green beech hedge at 13 inches apart, and then he uses that as a guide and puts a bit of line marking spray on the inside of the trench, and that makes the laying of the trench an awful lot quicker. So then you get your plants and then you line them up along the white line marking spray, and that just gives you a good old guide. Then Niall is backfilling that trench with nice fresh topsoil that he's after digging out with that bucket of the mini digger. And we're flying along, so topsoil going back in around the base of the plant, and then you're going to see Niall is going to start walking in those plants then. So it's very important to firm in the plants. So you put the topsoil in around them and then you walk them back in, firm them back in. And in the winter, especially if it's windy, no harm in doing this every couple of days with a freshly planted hedge. So let's talk about the collar of the plant. So the collar of the plant is to where it is obvious that the plant has come up out of the ground. You're going to plant to the collar of the plant, cover the roots and plant to the collar of the plant. So there's a lovely run of green beech hedge. And now the lads have to walk all of them back in, and Rob always stays a couple of metres ahead to get the job done quicker. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you save it for when you're planting a hedge. This could apply to any hedge you're planting at 3 plants per metre. And make sure you're following Cullen Nurseries for more great tips and advice.